Hey everyone, it's Inaya from Circle of Life with Inaya. And today I want to share with you a simple yet incredibly powerful hack that can help you make better decisions every single time. Whether it's a small choice like what to eat for lunch or a big life-changing decision, like switching careers or moving to a new city, this one habit can completely transform the way you make decisions and help you avoid regrets later on. Now, you might be wondering why decision-making is such a big deal. Well, every day we face countless decisions, some small and some huge, and these decisions shape our lives in ways we often don't even realize. Sometimes we make choices so quickly that we don't stop to think if they really align with what we want or need. Other times, we get overwhelmed by all the options and end up stuck, unable to decide at all. Both rushing and freezing can lead to stress, frustration, and outcomes we're not happy with. So, learning how to make better decisions is not just a skill, it's a life changer. Here's the hack. Buy yourself time before making any important decision. It sounds almost too simple, right? But this pause, this deliberate moment of stepping back, is one of the most effective ways to improve your decision-making. When someone asks you to decide on something, whether it's a job offer, a financial choice, or even a social invitation, train yourself to say, "Let me take some time to think this through, and I'll get back to you." This isn't about procrastination or avoiding responsibility. It's about giving yourself the mental space to make a thoughtful choice. Why does this work so well? The first reason is that it helps clear your mind. When we rush into decisions, our emotions often take over. We might feel pressured, anxious, or excited, and these feelings can cloud our judgment. Taking a pause allows your brain to calm down and balance emotion with logic. You give yourself room to think clearly about what's really important rather than reacting impulsively. Second, this pause gives you time to gather more information if you need it. Sometimes the reason we make poor decisions is that we don't have all the facts or perspectives. By stepping back, you can ask questions, do a little research, or talk to people you trust who might offer insights you hadn't considered. This extra input can reveal options or consequences you didn't see at first. Let me share a story to make this clearer. A close friend of mine used to say yes immediately to every opportunity because she was afraid of missing out. Whether it was a new project, a social event, or a career move, she felt she had to decide on the spot. Over time, this led to burnout and regret because she wasn't making choices that truly fit her goals or values. Then she started practicing this simple pause. Whenever she was offered something, she asked for time to reflect. Over the next few months, she noticed a big difference. She was more selective, more confident, and less stressed. She avoided many mistakes simply by not rushing, and her life started to feel more aligned with what she really wanted. Now, you might be thinking, but Inaya, what if I miss out by waiting? What if the opportunity disappears? That's a very common worry, and I get it. But here's the truth. Most people actually respect when you ask for time to think. It shows that you're serious and thoughtful, not careless or indecisive. And if something truly is urgent, you can still make a quick decision. But now you're doing it consciously, not under pressure. Plus, many decisions that feel urgent aren't as urgent as we imagine. Giving yourself even a few hours or a day to reflect can make a huge difference. To make this hack even more effective, here are some strategies you can use during your pause. First, get clear on what you want from the decision. Write down your goals and what success looks like for you in this situation. When you have a clear vision, it's easier to see which options align with your values and which don't. For example, if you're deciding on a new job, ask yourself what matters most. Is it salary, work-life balance, growth opportunities, or something else? This clarity helps you weigh your choices more effectively. Second, try to quiet your mind by breaking down your thoughts one at a time. Sometimes, our brains feel like a tangled ball of yarn with worries, hopes, fears, and doubts all mixed up. Take a moment to untangle these thoughts by writing them down or talking them out. This process can help you see the situation more clearly and reduce anxiety. Third, imagine the future consequences of each option. Picture yourself a month, 6 months, or a year from now having made each choice. How do you feel? Does it bring you closer to your goals or pull you away? This mental simulation can reveal hidden feelings or doubts that might not be obvious at first. Another important point is to be kind to yourself during this process. Making decisions can be stressful, and it's easy to get caught up in what-if scenarios. Remember, no decision is perfect, and every choice involves some risk. The goal is to make the best possible choice with the information you have, not to find a perfect answer. Let me give you another example. I once faced a big decision about moving to a new city for work. At first, I felt pressured to decide quickly because the offer was time-sensitive. But I remembered this hack and asked for a few days to think. During that time, I listed what was important to me, being close to family, career growth, and lifestyle. I talked to friends who lived there and weighed the pros and cons carefully. When I finally made the decision, it felt right. I was confident and excited, not anxious or doubtful. That pause gave me clarity and peace of mind. So, to sum up, the one hack to make better decisions every time is to buy yourself time. Don't rush. Give yourself permission to pause, reflect, and gather information. Combine this with clear goals, thoughtful reflection, and kindness toward yourself, and you'll find your decisions become stronger, your regrets fewer, and your confidence higher. Before you go, I want to hear from you. What's one decision you rushed in the past that you wish you had paused for? Share your story in the comments below. Your experience might help someone else in our community. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Circle of Life with Inaya for more practical and life-changing tips. Remember, better decisions start with a simple pause. Take that moment. You deserve it. See you in the next video.